This is fire. In Chitumbuka, it's moto, M-O-T-O. What you use for fire, it's firewood. So firewood, nkuni. Nkuni is spelled N-K-H-U-N-I, nkuni. And the matches that we use to light fire, it's machisa. And machisa is spelled M-A-T-C-H-I-S-A, machisa. It's a borrowed word from English, so matches, machisa. Okay. The ash, the gray part that we see in the fireplace there, the ash, vyoto. Vyoto is V-Y-O-T-O. Vyoto. Basically, okay, so the flame, when we want to say the fire flame, moto wayaka, which literally means the fire is burning. Moto wayaka. Kuti boo. Boo is the sound that fire makes. So you light a match, the fire comes up, boom. Especially at home, when you start fire, we use dry grass. We do not use, here we use newspapers. Yes, if you can find a newspaper, but newspapers are not that common. But we use dry grass. So you just get dried grass, you light matches, and the fire comes out with the force, boo. Hey, moto buka. So kubuka. K-U-B-U-K-A. Kubuka. Moto buka. The heat, like I'm here where I am, it's hot, red hot. Kocha. So kocha can mean from the sun, it's still heat, kocha. From the fire, it's still kocha, meaning it's really hot. And it's also saying my phone is hot because yes, we are near the fire before it bursts. Let me end here. Bye.